Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful makeup look, and I really wanted to use the blue pigment from ColourPop and Kathleen lights, but then I said why not mix more pigments together, and I mixed these three pigments and I created this color that I have on my lids. I don't know how to describe this color. It looks pretty blue purplish to me. I think I like it, and also I really wanted to use my Anastasia palettes because I don't use them very often. Now I do have like a bunch of other eyeshadow palettes, and I kind of forgot about these, and I really wanted to use like the both, like the modern renaissance and the subculture. But the colors didn't really work for me today, and I don't know how to feel about this green, transition green. Overall, I like the final result, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about this green and yellowish situation. Anyway, so yeah, and oh, I'm wearing my AliExpress earrings. This kind of hurts. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I already primed my lids with my Maybelline concealer, and I'm starting with a bold color. I know, usually I don't go that bold. I use my transition shades, but I don't know, for some reason today I wanted to go with a bold color first. I don't know why, don't ask. Next I'm going with New Wave, and I'm going to blend those colors together. I'm going to make them look like they hug each other, if that makes sense. And actually I did cut like a lot of the clips because I'm just blending and building the colors so they look pigmented. They are pigmented, but you know what I'm saying, right? Next I'm going with Axis, and this is a very dark green bold color. As you can see here, I took my time to build and to blend that color. Also I cut the clips, you know what I'm saying, because it's kind of boring watching me blending the eyeshadows. Anyway, so as I said, I blended and builded the colors a lot, and actually I haven't played with my Anastasia palettes in so long. I forgot how to work with this formula, so yeah, because they are a little bit special, I'm not gonna lie. Next I'm going to take this white concealer and I'm going to cut the crease. You already know the deal. I'm not going to fill that in because I'm going to go with this NYX glitter primer, and then I'm going to go with my pigments concoction. I mixed three pigments, as I said in the beginning of the video, and the result is this beautiful magical bluish purplish color. I don't know how to describe the color, but it's so beautiful. You can see those sparkles, right? Oh, so pretty. Okay, as you can see, my cut creases are a little bit different. On this eye is a little bit higher, this eye is a little bit lower. I'm going to try to fix this eye off camera. So I'm going to continue with this eye. I'm going to leave it like this. If in my next clips you see like a slightly change, that means that I fixed the issue. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this eye, but I'm aware that this eye is a little bit higher than this eye. It's okay, I am not perfect, my lids are not perfect. Anyway, I'm going to continue with this makeup look. Wow, what a day. Next I'm going with this light blue liner, and I'm going to apply that in my waterline and also a little bit below. And that liner dries so fast, I couldn't blend that very well, but it's okay. So next I'm taking Untamed and I'm going to try to blend that out. And then I'm going with Axis on top, and as you can see here, I'm trying to create like a smoky winged liner with eyeshadow. Yeah, and next I took the brush that I applied my pigment concoction. Let's call this color, I don't know, magic blue, and I applied a little bit of that on top, and as you can see, it's super sparkly, very messy. So I took this wet towel and I tried to clean a little bit that. And next I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies, and yeah. And I forgot to film this part where I applied my BH Cosmetics bronzer, but I applied that first, and then I went with this Milani Baked Bronzer for a little extra glow. And as you can see, next I'm going to use my Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I wasn't sure what colors to use, so I kind of mixed these two colors here, and I applied that on my face. Wow. And then I went with my wispies from Ardell and a little bit of mascara to complete this eye makeup look. And as I said, I'm not very happy with the color selection. I'm not sure why I wanted to use green with this blue, but it's okay because the final result it's kind of cute or whatever. And on my lips, I'm going to go with this ultra blotted lip. This is in the shade Doozy. But first, I'm going to line my lips with my skimpy liner, also from ColourPop. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I have to say that this lipstick from ColourPop feels so nice on the lips. It's not crazy pigmented. I had to apply like 2 coats, but feels so lightweight, feels so nice. So yeah, let me know down below what do you think, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.